It's your favorite, guys. It's me. Oh, I'm driving like a maniac. Good morning, it's me, it's Tilly. Hi. Oh my gosh, I missed you. My life has been a series of chaos and chaotic moments, but we're back with a little day in my life. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. We have a fun day ahead. So I thought we should vlog today. I went to Pilates this morning already and I didn't film it because I don't really know why. It's because I woke up late, I think, and because I just was rushing and I just like didn't have the brain capacity to think of anything except get to Pilates on time. And then when I was there, I just felt disheveled and I couldn't do it. I couldn't film it. But I did go. Y'all, I need a little pick-me-up. We have a nail appointment at 11. It's currently 10. And I have a nail appointment at 11. And I'm in desperate need for a little drinky drink. A little drink. So I think we should head to Scooter's Coffee and try their new fall drinks. Should we do it? I think we should. I think that car almost hit me. No, it's so good. So yes, we're gonna go to Scooter's Coffee and we're gonna pick up their limited edition fall drinks. There is a man yelling on the streets. Good morning. We're gonna pick up their caramel apple sparkling float and then also their caramel apple Red Bull infusion. And I'm so excited. What else do we have? And so yeah, after we get a drink, then I have my nail appointment. I'm so excited. These are the current state of my nails. They're not bad at all, actually. And actually I'm getting them done a little bit earlier than I usually do just because I start school tomorrow. I don't want to start school tomorrow, but I do. And so I'm like, you know what, to make myself feel better, let's get a fresh set. Then we have to go home and I have a few just like random things to do for work and getting ready for school. And I just want to clean a little so I, you know, start the school year off in a clean breath. And then we're going to a baseball game with my boyfriend. Yes, we're going to a Bees game, which is the Salt Lake Bees. That should be so fun and summery and a fun summery date. I'm so excited. Ah! Guys, I'm so sorry. Anyway, whoa! Anyhow, I should probably stop filming and driving. Maybe. All right, cheers. We are here. Are you so excited? I'm so excited. Hi, can I please get a medium caramel apple sparkling float and then a medium caramel apple Red Bull infusion, please?
Is there anything else I can get started?
That is it.
You good to speak forward?
Sweet, thank you. Hi, good, how are you? Sweet. Thank you so much. You too. Okay, we got the drinks. Look how like so freaking vibrant they are. I'm obsessed. Gorgeous. The green is so vibrant. I love it. Okay, I'm first gonna try the float. I want the whipped cream. Okay, we're first gonna try the float. I already ate the whipped cream. Oops. We're gonna try the float. Let's do it. Ooh, the green apple is delicious. Tastes like a fizzy caramel apple dessert. It's sweet and very tangy, but also like there's like a caramel richness to it. That's like a fun little like desserty like drink. I love it. Now we got the Red Bull infusion. We have like a little like soft top vibe on here with a caramel drizzling. A caramel what? Caramel drizzling. Wait. The flavor of the green apple and the caramel and the Red Bull are all making a very delicious combination indeed. It has like the sharp, like sour but sweet green apple, and then it's like energizing and refreshing with the Red Bull, and then the caramel just all together is making a wonderful combination in my mouth. I really like this one. I think out of the two, they're both delicious, but I think the Red Bull one is my favorite. I just love the green apple mixed with the Red Bull flavor. It's like, delicious. If you're like me and you love trying all the different fall drinks, you gotta go try Scooter's because these are delicious. These are only available until October 31st. So you gotta head over there ASAP and try these. Trust me. Okay. I love the green apple flavoring. I feel like that's just so unique and you don't see that very often, and so it's really good. Okay, let's head to my nail appointment now. I need a nap! Let's head to my nail appointment. Get these bad boys fresh and clean. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Guys, oh, why am I so zoomed in? If I zoom out, guys, I can't. Oh my gosh, why isn't it zooming out? Hey guys, I'm about to go into my nail appointment, but I'm about to pee my pants. I'm gonna pee my pants. Well, I went to the bathroom. But where's Cam? Did she forget about me? Will she ever come?
What up, boy?
Look who finally came!
I'm sorry.
Is it a real nice one? It's a G7X.
Oh my gosh.
Look how pretty.
My dad's a pilot.
Pretty.
Oh, cute.
Okay, lovely people, here are the nails. They're literally just French tip. We went shorter too, because they've just been getting so long and I just wanted like something really clean, you know? And I love them. Shout out Cam. Cam's my favorite person in the entire world. She's just the very best and I love her. And we always just talk about the most unhinged, crazy things in our appointments. I was gonna film more, but like anything we talked about, I could not put in here. So, but yeah, I was gonna go to Target, but it's already almost 1 and I have to film a brand deal before I go to my boyfriend's house. So I think I might just go home and make some food. Ew, I have like crusties. So I think I'm gonna go home and make some food and just chill at home and do some stuff at home. I also don't know what I'm gonna wear tonight and I need to pick out my first day of school outfit. Okay, yeah, that's it. Goodbye. Update, we're actually getting a car wash. I'm gonna get a car wash really fast because like poured rain the other day and my car is disgusting. And I don't want a disgusting car, I want a cute, shiny car. Put it in neutral. Oh my gosh. It really scared me. They always do a smiley face and I think it's so cute. Me, 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 me. Do you think he liked that? I'm mesmerized by the everything. Alright. Right. We're home and I'm gonna make some food. Starving. My hair is atrocious. Hi! Everyone say hi, Binky. It's gotten so big. You've gotten so big. You're so big. So let me show you my hyperfixation meal recently. You need some English muffins. I usually like the sourdough ones, but when I went to the grocery store yesterday, they were out. And I needed these ASAP, and I didn't feel like going anywhere else. So I just bought the regular ones. English muffin. A knife. Hold on, let me cut this. Binky is in the sink. Cut. Put it in the toaster. Fun fact, I actually low-key hate peanut butter, but I love this peanut butter, if it will focus. This is my favorite peanut butter. I actually like the taste of it, which is crazy. We need a banana. And then because I hate doing dishes, I always just use a paper towel. Open the banana up. And then I cut it into pieces, slice it up into pieces. Get the English muffin, peanut butter, spread on English muffin. There's cat hair everywhere. I wonder who's the culprit of that. Spread in the peanut butter. Then we take the banana and we place it on the peanut butter. Delicious. And we have it. A delicious meal. So quick, so easy, so simple. Good for you. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna eat my little meal. I bedazzled this starfish yesterday for my school bag. Beep. We're in the new place. What do you guys think? We're in the new house. I love it here. This is my favorite. Like, I just love it here. I was gonna say this is my favorite place I've ever lived, but to be fair, I've only lived in like 3 places besides the house I grew up in. So this is my favorite place and I've lived since moving out, but I feel like it's kind of like obvious. Like I think the most unique thing I've done in here is there is a sunny angel pretty much on every wall and in every room, and it's a little creepy and it's a little obsessive, but I also think it's super fun and it's super awesome, so I don't care. There's like a few more things I want to do before I do like a full-on apartment tour, just because like I wanted to be all the way in my apartment before I do that, and it's just I'm not fully set up yet. I like am basically but like there's a few more things I want to do before I film that, so that will come soon, I promise, and I will do it. I know I said a million times in my studio that I was going to do a studio apartment tour, but I never did, and I think that's because I partly hated my studio. I loved it for a while, but then I just got sick of it and it was cluttery and it was a mess all the time, but I love this apartment. I'm so much happier in here too. Like energy can really flow in this place. That was delicious. Let's see, if I put you right here, can you see me do my laundry? Ignore that. do you have to say for yourself? What? Okay, so I've literally been running around my apartment like a chicken who lost his head. Why am I here? I don't know. But I'm gonna get in the shower and start getting ready. Yeah, so true. I've just been like filming things, cleaning. Yeah. I've been busy. Sorry, didn't film. Sorry. Sorry. My bad. But I'm about to get in the shower. I'm about to get all squeaky clean. Yeah. See you after. I genuinely think that might have been the fastest I've ever gotten ready in my entire life. But I'm ready. I didn't film any of it because I was in such a rush. I'm in such a rush because I forgot about traffic. So it's gonna take me forever to get to my destination. So I had to speed run. My shirt is from Brandy Melville. My pants are from Urban Outfitters. My shoes are Doc Martens. And my face is from my mother. Say hello, mother.
Hello. Tapping.
Email. Amo iPad 8.
Hey guys. Do you have something to say?
What's up, guys? We're out here in the Salt Lake Bees game. We're about to go get some hot dogs and some grubs. And
We'll do our
we'll let you guys know how they are. So yummy.
Up next, we have Rudy.
Sorry, what's up?
Hey guys, hot dog review.
And our season cover, Melly.
Billy!
Your favorite as they get to the starting line. Here we go.
There you go.
Get
You got filming.
followed by Matt, Cornelius, Melly, and Rudy. Home stretch, they gotta hurry. Flip is in the lead.
Hi, Pokies. It's me. It's really late. Or it's really early in the morning. The way you want to look at it is both. Well, guys, it is very much the end of the day. It's very late, but we're going to sleep. We're getting ready for bed as we speak. I'm so excited to get in bed. I picked up my face. What can I say? I just gotta do what a girl's gotta do. But today was such a lovely day, and I'm so glad I filmed it and you guys were able to come along with me, because I just had the best time ever. And I hope you guys had the best time ever. I hope you just absolutely loved spending every moment with me through a screen. Time to put a million pimple patches on my freaking face. Look at my hair, it's cute.
You want your treat? You want your treat? Is it treat time? Yeah? Is it treat time? Oh, my broom is still in here from when I swept in here. Bedtime. Bedtime, bedtime, bedtime. Alright guys, this is where I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog because I'm about to conk out on that pillow right there. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I hope that this was just a lovely experience and you will remember it for the rest of your life. I love each and every one of you all the time, always, forever and always. And I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, morning, evening, afternoon, whenever you're watching this. And yeah, I love you guys. Bye.